First and foremost, turkey tail is awesome. It's found pretty widespread throughout the world. In 1977, it was first approved as a prescription medication in Japan in cancer. So there's this long history of it, at least in Japan and other parts of Asia. And I think in 87, it accounted for more than 25% of the national anti-cancer agents in Japan. The clinical trial that came out in, I think, the early 2000s here in the States showing that 6 grams, I think, daily for 4 weeks was enough to increase natural killer cells.
What I know reishi to be good for is for calming you down, helping you get ready for bed.
There's a good study showing it actually increases delta wave activity. It's
Awesome.
good for getting into a deep sleep. I think even like hypnotic states, they've used reishi to help induce. The Chinese name translates to the mushroom of immortality because they use it for so many different functions, from the liver to the heart to lungs to mood to immunity, you name it.
And I know there's been a rise in breast cancer cases. So can we
Mm.
talk a little bit about that?
But turkey tail also super awesome for immunity. There's a clinical trial on that on women with breast cancer as well, showing that it increases natural killer cell activity.
A lot of the medications that we're creating, like pharmaceutical prescription drugs, are based off of compounds that we find already in nature. When you look at some of these pills that are created from these compounds and they're essentially trying to mimic these natural compounds, and then you look at oftentimes all the side effects that we have from these pharmaceutical drugs, well, why are we not just going to the natural remedy in the first place?